Good morning, students. We are live now. So, Nason, Likita, and Matthew has joined. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio and video clear? Okay, so I can see Praveen, Isha has also joined. Okay, so thank you for confirming. Okay, so we are solving question paper of 2023. We have completed question number 1, that is MCQs, and question number 2. So today we are going to start from question number 3. So question third, first part. Question 3, first part. So let's start. I think we have good strength to start the class today. So this question is of quadratic equation. You can see the question. Solve the following quadratic equation. So the given equation is x square minus x square plus 4x minus 8 is equals to 0. This is the given equation and we have to give answer correct to one decimal place. So if something like this is mentioned correct to one decimal place or two decimal place, that means this question we have to do using quadratic formula. So we have to do this question using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula, we know it is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is quadratic formula. Now from the given equation, let's write the values of a and b, c. So I want you people to tell me the values of a, b, c so that we can start the question. So what's the value of a, b and c? The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Yes, so coefficient of x square is a. That means coefficient of x square here is 1. If nothing is there, write 1. Coefficient of b is x is 4, and coefficient and c is a constant term. So it is minus 8. Yes, so a, b, c's values I have written now. We just have to do substitution here. So minus b, minus 4 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. b is 4. So 4 square minus 4 into a is 1. c is minus 8 by 2a. Is 2 into 1. So let us further solve it. Minus 4. So here we can write x is equals to. So x is equals to this thing. X is equals to minus 4 plus minus 4 square. 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 1. So here minus sign. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 8 is 32. By 2 into 1, 2. So here I have minus 4. So minus 4 plus minus 16 plus 32. 6 plus 2, 8. So it is 48. Square root of 48. See, from the square root table directly you can see the value of the square root of 48. From the square root table you can see it is okay. So Tarun has given the answer. I want you people to tell me the value of square root of 48. 6.9. Square root of 40. Square root value, first of all tell me up to 3 or 4 decimal place. Whatever way it is mentioned, tell me same way in the square root table. Is 6.928. 6.928. So full value we have to take. Answer we will take up to 1 decimal place. First of all we'll solve it completely. So here take 4 decimal or 3 decimal, whatever it is mentioned. So minus 4 plus minus 6.928. So x is equals to two values are there, so one with plus, so minus 4 plus 6.928 by 2, or x is equals to minus 4 minus 6.928 by 2. So if we do subtraction here, so what we will get here, so minus 4 plus, so plus minus is minus. So this will get 2.928 by 2, or this we will get minus minus is plus with negative sign. So this will get minus 10.928 by 2. Now division we can do 1.4, 1.486, 1.464, or here we are getting minus 5.464. Now we have got the values of x. We have to write our answer up to one decimal place. We have to write our answer up to one decimal place. So only you have to see one decimal place. So one decimal place is 1.4. But after first decimal you see 6 is there. 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So that means we have to round it off. So this will become 1.5. 1.5 or 1.5 or x is equals to, now same thing here also we'll do minus 5 point up to one decimal place we have to write. So after first decimal if you see the number is greater than 5, so we will just round it off this also. Yes, so 1.5 x is equals to 1.5 or x is equals to minus 5.5 is the correct answer. Because the question says up to one decimal place we have to find the value of x. So x is equals to 1.5 or 5.5. So first question we have done. Now this is question number 3, second part. This is a question of trigonometric identities. So we have to prove the following identity. So this is sine square minus 1 into tan square. We have to prove that sine square theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is what we have to prove. So for trigonometrical identities, first of all you check for trigonometrical relations. First of all check for the trigonometrical relations. That's the first thing. Here if you see if any relation you can use. So use for that. So first thing square is there. So square relation is, so square relation we have first is sine square theta plus cos square theta. We know it is equals to 1. But here we have sine square theta minus 1. So sine square theta's value, if I substitute from this square relation, so this is equals to sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So this I am getting from the square relation. So here we can substitute. Here we can substitute. So left hand side only I am going to solve. So this expression's answer should be equals to 0. So sine square theta's value is 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 is already there. Now tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1, it is equals to, so again square relation you have to check because of the square. The square is giving us hint that we have to see square relation. We have square relation 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. So this square relation we have done. So same thing is there, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. So we can write its value. Secant square theta plus 1. Now we can just multiply. Let's multiply. So bracket multiplication here we can do. So this secant theta with each and every term of the other bracket we have to multiply. So 1 into secant square theta is equals to secant square theta minus cos square theta into secant square theta, because we are multiplying, minus secant square theta plus 1. Now secant square theta plus secant square theta and minus secant square theta, it will get cancelled. So what I am left with now, minus cos square theta into secant square theta plus 1. So this is what I am left with. Now which relation? Again you have to think about the trigonometrical relation. So first thing, always you have to think if any trigonometrical relation we can apply here. So can we apply here any trigonometrical relation? Yes, so reciprocal relation we can apply, because we know cos and secant, they are reciprocal of each other. So cos and secant, they are reciprocal of each other. So, and we know secant theta is equals to, so secant or cos, anything you can change. So secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, or cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. So any one you can change. Don't change both. So any one you can change. So relation we know. So let's change. So minus cos square I am going to write as it is, into secant we can write as 1 by secant square, 1 by cos square theta, because secant is equals to 1 by cos. So this I am going to change, because of this square, here also square will come, because we have secant square theta. So when we are changing, it will become 1 by cos square theta. Now cos square theta, because these terms are getting multiplied, so this will get cancelled. So here I am left with minus 1 now, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, again it will give us 0, and which is equals to right hand side. So hence proved. You can see right hand side is also 0. So 4 mark question, such a simple question here you can see. But the only thing which you should know is trigonometrical relations. So all the relations, if you know, these questions will be very easy. Let's do next question. So question number third. Question number third we have to do. This question is from reflection. This question is from reflection. I hope your graphs are ready with you. So use graph sheet to answer. First is, this is question number third part. Plot ABC where A is equals to, so ABC we have to plot on the graph. So these points we have to plot. First of all, let me make my graph ready. So you can also do. So on graph we have to attempt this question. So I'm just writing the values of x-axis and y-axis. So horizontal is x-axis and vertical axis is y-axis. So I'm just writing the values. The point of intersection is 0. So this is horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis. So 1, positive values of x on right side, and left side negative values of x, upper side positive values of y-axis, lower side negative values of y-axis. So I've written, so ABC we have to plot. Now we'll see what is A. So A is 0, 4. 0, 4 means x-axis we have to locate 0. Vertically straight we have to go up till 4. So here I have plotted point A. So this is 0, 4. Now next point is B. B is 1, 1. So on X we have to locate 1, and straight up we have to go till positive 1. So this is point B, 1, 1. Then point C we have to plot 4, 0. So X value is 4, Y's value is 0. So this point, when Y is 0, the point will lie on X-axis only. When X is 0, the point will lie on Y-axis. So I have plotted A, B, C. So you have to write it down. The values of coordinates also you have to write. So first part of the question is done. So plotting of point we had to do. So we have done. Reflect AB. So A we have to reflect. A we have to reflect on x-axis. So point A 0, 4 we have to reflect on x-axis. And B 1, 1. Again, we have to reflect on x-axis. So on x-axis, if we are reflecting, what will be the value of A and B will become? We have to name them as E and D respectively. So on x-axis, if we are doing reflection, so what will be the value of A and B? After reflection on x-axis, x will only remain same. So we have done x will remain same. If we are doing reflection on x-axis, so x will remain same, y will change. So it is E is 0, -4 and D is 1, -1 because x-axis reflection we are doing. So x will remain same, y will change. So the name we have to write as E and D. So ED we have to, let's plot on the graph also. So 0, -4, E is 0, -4. So x-axis 0. So value, if the value of x is 0, that means the point will lie on y-axis. So straight down we have to go. So this is E point 0, 4. So you can write also 0, -4. Then we have, okay, this is D, not E. E is 1, -1. So 1, -1 on x-axis we have to locate 1. -1 is the lower side, so vertically down. So this is 1, -1. So I have plotted all the points till here. Now reflect B through origin and name it F. Now again B we have to reflect. Again B we have to reflect. B we have to reflect along origin. So B we have to reflect along origin and we have to name it as F. So if we're doing reflection through origin, so what will be the value? So good morning, Shashank. Okay, thank you. Yes, if we are doing reflection through origin, so both will change. X will also change, Y will also change. Sign will change. So B, it will be changed to F and the coordinates will be -1, -1. So F is -1, -1. So -1 on x-axis, we have to locate it on the left side. So -1, -1. So I've just plotted. So this is point F. This is point F. Now let's do the next. So A, B and C are done. Now reflect B and C on the y-axis and name them. Again B and C we have to reflect. So B and C we have to reflect. B is 1, 1. C is 4, 0. So this we have to reflect on y-axis. So on y-axis if we are reflecting, what the coordinates will become? On y-axis, if we are reflecting, so what will be the value of coordinates? You can share the answers today. I don't see any answers, only 1 or 2 students. So reflection if is through y-axis, what will be the, which coordinate will change? Which point will change? X or y? Yes, so y will remain same. Y will remain same, so x will change. So -1. 1 will change to -1, 1 will remain same. Here x will change, so y will remain same. So -1, 1 and this we have to name it as h and g. So h, g. So h is -1, 1, -1, 1. So this is H. G is minus 4 comma 0. So y's value is 0, that means the point will lie on x-axis. So this is point G. So we have done D point also. Now we have to join A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in order and name the closed figure formed. So let's join. So in this order only we have to join A with B, B with C, C with D, D with E, E with F, F with G and G with H, and then again H with A. So in this order, let's join. So with the help of scale we have to join it with the help of scale. Don't draw it with free hand. So A, B, B, C. So join it and tell me the type of the polygon or figure formed before me. Let's see who will tell me before me. So A with B, B with C, C with D. C with D we have to do. D with E. So where do I have E point? Okay, one second, I think E I have missed somewhere. E is 0 comma minus 4. E is 0 comma minus 4. D is 1 comma minus 1. This is D point. I wrote by mistake and this is E. Okay, so here one mistake. Yes, so C with D, C with D, then D with E, okay, so eight-sided polygon someone has mentioned. Okay, let us check. I'm just completing this one. E, F, F into F with G, G with H, and H again with A. So I have joined all. Yes. So here we are getting eight-sided closed figure. Polygon, if you mention it's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can name it as star also, it looks like a star. Okay, so in more mathematical name, you can write as eight-sided polygon. Eight-sided. Closed figure means it's better to write as polygon. Eight-sided polygon. Eight-sided polygon's name also, you, if you know, you can write. Anyone knows what is the name of eight-sided figure? Eight-sided polygon. Like for six-sided, it's hexagon. Seven-sided heptagon. So octagon. Eight-sided figure's name is octagon. So that also you can write. Yes, octagon. Okay. So don't write closed figure. So till name like six-sided figure we say hexagon, seven is heptagon, eight is octagon. Or eight-sided polygon or octagon you can write. So this question is done. So all the points we did. You can see this question is a 5 marks. You can expect question like this from reflection. Let's do next question. Question number 4. So section A is completed. We have completed section A. Now let's start section B. So section B, you can see choice also will be there, but we will do all the questions. So first question is from matrices, 3-mark questions. So it's given to us matrix A, B, C and I. I is identity matrix. What we have to find? We have to find A into B plus C. A into B plus C minus 14I. So this thing we have to find. A into B plus C minus 14I. So B plus C we can find. So individually if you want you can find and then substitute in this one. So first of all let's find B plus C. So this is addition of two matrices because let's solve bracket first. So B is 1, 2, 2, 4 plus C. So what is the order of these matrices? So all the matrices A, B, C and I. What's the order? 4, 1, 1, 5. I want you people to tell me the order. So when we are adding, the order should be same. Yes, it's 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. So order of these matrices, all the matrices, they have same order, 2 by 2. So number of rows also 2. So horizontal rows and vertical columns. So 2 rows and 2 columns here we have for each of the matrices. So order is same, addition is possible. So first element of both we can add. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 2 plus 1. So second element of first row we can add. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then second row's first elements we can add. So 2 plus 1 again it is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. So let me check again. 1 plus 4 5. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. 5 3 3 9. Okay. So it is correct. B plus C we have found. Now let's find A into B plus C. Let's find A into B plus C. So that means matrix multiplication we have to do here. We have to do here matrix multiplication. A's value is 1, 2, 3, 4. B plus C just now we have found. So B plus C is 5, 3, 3, 9. So matrix multiplication when we are doing, so rows of first column, we are using rows of first column or rows of first matrix we are using and columns of second matrix. Rows you can mark for yourself with the pencil. So first row with first column will multiply and one row and one column will give us one element. Okay, so Tejas has given the answer. Let's see if it is correct. 1 into 5 is 5. So one extra step you write. Write the multiplication. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 3 into 3. So first element with second with second will multiply and we'll add both of them. So 5 plus 9. Then again first row with second column. So 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 9 is 27. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 4 into 3 is 12. So write this step. I am suggesting you to write this step. Don't write the answer directly because we have to avoid mistakes. So write one extra step. It will not take much time. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4 into 9 is 36. So let me add now. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 3 plus 27 is 30. 10 plus 12 is 22. 6 plus 36 is 42. So the answer given by Tejas is correct. So A into B plus C we have done. And now we have to find the value of 14i. 14i. So 14i is a scalar multiplication of number 14 with the identity matrix 1. So scalar multiplication, it's just like a bracket multiplication. This number which is written outside that you have to multiply with each and every element of the matrix. So 14 into 1 is 14, 0, 0, 14. So 14 into 1, 14, then 0, 14 into 0, 0, again into 0, 0, again into 1, 1. So we have found the value. Now we just have to substitute. So A into B plus C minus 14I. Let's substitute their values. So A into B plus C. So this we have found 14, 30, 22, 42 minus 14, 0, 0, 14. Now two matrices they are getting subtracted. Their order is same. So first element of first and first element of second. So 14 minus 14, then 30 minus 0, 22 minus 0, 42 minus 14. So what is the answer? 0, 30, 22. It is 42 minus 14, 28. So are you all getting the same answer? Okay, so Likshita has given me the same answer. I hope you all are getting the same answer. Okay, so it is correct. Yes, Praveen, what you are getting? Tell me your answer. Okay, so we have done this one. This is question number 4th, first part. So let's do second question now. Second question is a question from coordinate geometry. 3 mark questions. Question 4, second part. Question 4, second part. Same, okay. So ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A, B, and C. So let us draw the triangle. ABC is a triangle A's coordinates are 1, comma minus 1, B's coordinates 0, comma 4, and coordinates of C point are minus 6, comma 4. D is a midpoint of, here we have midpoint D of BC. So let us write as XY. Find the coordinates of D. So we have to find the coordinates of D. So D's coordinates, which formula we will use? So this question earlier so many times we have done this type of question. So which formula will use to find the coordinates of D? D is the midpoint of BC. So we'll use midpoint formula. Yes, we'll use midpoint formula. We can write the coordinates because we are finding the coordinates of BC. So B's coordinates we'll write as x1, y1 and C's coordinates we'll write as x2, y2. D's coordinates x, y. So midpoint formula is x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 now it is 0 plus x2 is minus 6 by 2. So plus minus is minus. So 0 minus 6. So plus minus two signs together make it single sign. Plus minus is minus. 0 minus 6 by 2. So 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is equals to minus 3. So minus 3. Y's value we'll find now. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Y is equals to 4. Y1 is 4. Y2 is 6. 4 plus 6 by 2. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So minus 3 comma. Okay, it is not 6, it is 4. 4 plus 4. Y2 is also 4. So 8 by 2 is equals to 4. Y is 4. X is equals to minus 3. So we have found the coordinates of D minus 3 comma 4. Now what we have to do is, so the coordinates are correct. Now we have to find the equation of the median. See, if D is the midpoint of BC, that means AD is the median. That means AD is the median. So this line's equation we have to find. Equation of AD. So I'll just draw here AD. So D's coordinates minus 3 comma 4 and A's coordinates given to us 1 comma minus 1. We have to find the equation. Okay, so Tarun has found the equation also. Let's check. So which form? Here we will use point form. Point form of equation we are going to use. Point form is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So first of all m we'll find, where m is slope. So m is equals to, so again we'll write the coordinates of A and D as x1, y1 and x2, y2. First of all, x1, y1 we have. Now slope let's find. So what is slope formula? Okay, so slope is equals to 5y minus 4. Let's check. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 1. So 4 minus minus 1 by minus 3 minus 1. So two signs together, 4 plus 1 minus minus is plus, by minus minus is plus with negative sign. So this will become minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 but minus 4. So 5 by minus 4 we can write as minus 5 by 4. So correct value of slope. Now let's write the equation. So equation of AD, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y's value, y minus y1. y1 is minus 1. y1 is minus 1. M is minus 5 by 4. So slope we have found this now, minus 5 by 4. X minus x1. x1 is equals to 1. Again two signs together we can make it single sign. So this will become y plus 1. And 4 will shift to other side. If we shift 4 to other side, it will get multiplied. Now minus 5 here will multiply. So minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 1 will become plus 5. Whenever minus sign outside the bracket, you have to change the sign. So this side I'll get 4y. 4 will multiply with both. So 4y plus 4 is equals to minus 5x plus 5. Now let's shift everything to left side. So minus x, when I shift, it will become plus 5x. Plus 4y is already there on this side. Plus 4 is there. When 5 I will shift to this side, it will become minus 5 is equals to 0. Like terms we can solve. 5x plus 4y. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Yes, so 5x plus 4y. So Jayashri, our equation is 5x plus 4y minus 1, not minus 4y. Just check. Okay, so this is the required equation, and I have told you the standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So it's better always write the equation in this form only, like as we have written. First x term, then y term, then c. 5x plus 4y minus 1. So we have got the required equation, and I can see many of you are giving the same form only, same equation. Okay, so let's do next question. Next question is from circles. This is which question we are doing? Fourth question. So fourth question, third part. Fourth question, third part. And also when you are attempting the questions of circles, draw diagrams. On the answer sheet also draw diagrams. These figures, given figures, you have to draw. Now let's see what is given to us. First of all, always write given, given. In geometry's questions, always given, then what we have to find, then solution. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. So O is center, O is center, then PQ is tangent, PQ is tangent. The point of contact is T, no need of writing that. So chord AB produced meets the tangent at P. So no need of writing that. So other things, the given things, AB is equals to 9 centimeter, BP is equals to 16 centimeter, and angle PTB, it's equals to 50 degree. So these are the given things. Angle OBA is also given to us. OBA is equals to 45 degrees. So all the given things I have written. Now what we have to find? We have to find these things. So there you make a column of to find. To find, you have to write. Then first one is PT, that is A. Then angle BAT, angle BOT, angle ABT. So these are the things we have to find. Okay, so solution will do PT. Okay, so PT, Tarun has found it as 12. Okay, let's see. PT. So which rule here we will use? Or which property we will use? See, tangent and chord. Chord is AB is a chord and AB produces intersecting tangent PT. So which property we will use here? I want you to tell me the property as well. Here chord and tangent, they are intersecting externally. Yes, so we will use PT square is equals to PA into PB. So we have done this property in chords, tangents and intersecting chords. So PT square, the square of the tangent is equals to product of the parts of the chord. So PA into PB. PT square is equals to PA into PB. So here the point of contact, which is P of both the tangent and chord, you have to write with both A and B. So I told you earlier also, this way you can learn. So square of the tangent is equals to PA into PB. So we have to find PT. So let it be PT square is equals to PA. PA's value is given to us. PA is not given to us. PA is full line. This one full. So PA we can find. It is AB plus. So PA is what? PA is AB plus BP. AB plus BP. AB is 9. BP is 16. So 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So PA is equals to 25 into PB. PB is equals to 16. PB is equals to 16. So this square will shift to other side. It will become square root. So PT is equals to square root of 25 into 16. Now square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is the correct answer as answer given by Tejas and Likhita. First part is done. Now BAT we have to find angle BAT. Angle BAT. So BAT is this angle. I'll just highlight it. So this angle we have to find. Yes, so how to find this angle? Angle PAT Tarun has found is it's equals to 50 degree. So how to find? You have to tell the rule also. So A part is done. Now B. B we have to do. B is angle BAT. So one angle is given to us. One angle is given to us. That angle is PTB. Angle PTB. PTB is equals to 30 degree is equals to 50 degree, not 30. Alternate segment of triangle, yes. So this angle PTB, if you see, this is the angle between chord and tangent. This is the angle between chord and tangent. So angle PTB is the angle between chord and tangent. So chord is here TB. TB is a chord. TB is chord and PT is tangent. And PT is tangent. So whenever you see angle between chord and tangent, you see you just extend the endpoints of the chord. So T is 1 point, B is 1 point. If you extend, they are meeting at point A on the circumference of the circle. So these angles will be same. These angles will be same by the property angles in the alternate segment are equal. Angles in the alternate segments are equal if we have an angle between chord and tangent. So which means angle BAT is also equals to 50 degree. So reason you can mention angles in the alternate segment are equal. Angles in the alternate segment are equal. Alternate segment, angles in the alternate segment are equal. So two parts are done. Yes, BAT is equals to PTB. Now BOT we have to find. So third one is BOT. BOT we have to find. So BOT, this one, the angle at the center. So what will be the value of BOT? We have to find the value of angle BOT. This angle we have to find. How to find this one now? This is C part. Angle BOT. See, we know one angle. Okay. Yes, BOT is equals to 2 times of BAT. BOT is equals to, so BAT, if you see BAT, it is subtended by arc TB. And moreover, if you see angle BOT, this is also subtended by the same arc BT. So that means BOT is equals to 2 times of BAT. Reason you can write angle subtended by the same arc. Angle subtended by the same arc at the center is twice of the angle on circumference of circle or on circle. So reasons properly you have to mention. So angle subtended by the same arc at the center is twice of the angle subtended on the circumference of circle. So 2 into BAT. BAT is in the previous part we have found this is 50 degree. So 2 into 50 is equals to 100 degree. So BOT is equals to angle BOT, it's equals to 100 degree. So first, second, third is done. ABT we have to find now. ABT. So ABT, this angle we have to find. So how to find now ABT? D part is ABT. We have to find this angle. Angle ABT is 85 degree. How? So D is ABT, angle ABT. So if you see one triangle here, there is one triangle BOT. If you see one triangle BOT, this angle O we found just now. Angle O is 100 degree. Angle O is 100 degree. Just now we have found. But it's given to us O is the center. If O is the center, then OB and OT, then OB and OT. These are the radii. So that means BOT is isosceles triangle. That means BOT, triangle BOT is isosceles triangle. If it is isosceles triangle, then angle B is equals to angle T. So angle B and angle T I can just write as X, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal in isosceles triangle. Yesterday or some in previous class we used the same thing. Now in this triangle, if you see, so angle B plus O plus angle T, this is equals to 180 degrees, sum of all the angles of a triangle. So B angle I have assumed as X, O's value is 100, O is BOT here, T's value is also X. Because this is an isosceles triangle, so angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So X plus X is 280, 100 will shift to other side. If we shift 100 to other side, it will become minus 100. 180 minus 100 is 80. So 80 by 2 is equals to 40. Yes, 80 is perpendicular to T. 80 is 80 is perpendicular to TP and angle A. Okay. So that way is also fine. X is equals to 40. So Tarun, your method is also fine. So I have done this way. So this is also correct. So ABT is actually what? ABT is ABO plus ABO plus angle OBT. Okay, so OBT we assumed X here. OBT we assumed X. So ABO is given to us as 45 and X we found as 40. So 45 plus 40 is equals to 85. So angle ABT is equals to 85 degree. So both ways we can do. Other way Tarun has done, because radius and tangent they are perpendicular. So this complete angle is 90 degree. If this complete is 90, so 90 minus 50 we will get here 40 degree. So that way is also correct. So questions of geometry can be done in more than one ways. It depends on the concept which you are using. Okay, so let's do next question. One question we can do. We have 7 minutes. So question number 5, let's start. Till now, till here, if anyone has any doubt, that also you can ask. Yes, so question number 5. This question is a question of GST. So we have to find total GST paid and total bill amount including GST. So one table is given to us. Total GST we have to find. For first one, if you see the first one, item is given to us, then price is given to us, rate of GST, and discount is also there. See, GST is also always applicable on discounted price. GST is always applicable on discounted price. So if you see the first item, so it's MRP. So MRP is given to us. Price means MRP here. So MRP of hair oil is given to us. It's given to us as 1,200. Here discount is also given. Discount is also there. So how much discount we have here? Discount is equals to 100. So what will be the selling price or discounted price? Discounted price means the selling price. So this will be equals to 1200 minus 100. So that discount we have to subtract. From its MRP, we have to subtract discount. So 1200 minus 100 is 1100. So its selling price is 1100. So for hair oil we have found. And this type of question you can do in tabular form only. Like here you can make one column and selling price you can write. So for first one it's 1100. So second one there is no discount. For cashew nuts, there is no discount, so its selling price is 600. If there is no discount, so selling price will remain same. Now, the GST is always applicable on selling price. So, GST, total GST we have to find. We have to find total GST. We'll make one column of GST over here. So, if you do this question in tabular form, it will look much impressive and neat and clean. So I suggest you to attempt the questions of GST in tabular form only, because for you people also it will be very easy to see the answers. While rechecking, you can figure out your mistakes also if you have done any mistakes. So first of all, let's find GST of hair oil. So GST is 18%. GST is 18%. So here it's not mentioned, and we know we have only intrastate GST. So always do it separately, CGST and SGST. Do it separately. So 18% is the GST. So we have to write CGST. You can write CGST is equals to SGST, and this is equals to how much? 9% of 1100. Selling price of hair oil is 1100. So 9 by 100 percentage we can write as by 100, of means into 1100. So two zeros we can cancel. 9 into 100, 9 into 11 is 99. 99. So total GST will be how much then? For this one, for hair oil, total GST is CGST plus SGST. CGST plus SGST. So 99 plus 99. 99 plus 99 is how much? 198. 198. So here in this column you can write 198. Okay, so this is 198. Now for second, cashew nuts we can find. It is 12%. It's 12%. Selling price is 600. So we can find, again we can write CGST is equals to SGST. So first one is for hair oil, you can mention also. Second one now we are finding for cashew nuts. This is 6% because 12% is given to us. So we have to take half of it. We have to take half of it. So 6% of 600. 6% of 600. So 6 by 100 into 600. Two zeros we can cancel. 6 into 6 is 36. So in this case, so total GST. So total GST is again CGST plus SGST. So this is equals to 36 plus 36, which is equals to 72. So I hope till here it's correct. 72. So in this column you can write rupees 72. Now total GST both we have to add. So 198 plus 72 we have to do. 198 plus 72, 8 plus 2, 10. 270. So is it 270? Total GST also here we can write 270. Is it correct? Okay, so 270. In this table only you can write. So separately also you can write for both. Total GST, because it's the first part. 600, total GST 198 plus 198 plus 72. So this is equals to 270. But make sure you're writing in this table also. Now we have to find total bill amount. So total bill amount including GST we have to find. So total bill amount including GST. Bill amount whenever we are finding, we have to add all the selling price plus GST. So selling price here we have in bill price, whenever I have seen most of the time students they will only add GST. Selling price they forget. So you have to be very careful. All the selling prices also you have to add in bill price. See, whenever you are going for shopping, you are paying the final amount as both. Okay, so make sure you are writing. So first selling price is 1100. Second one is 600, and GST we have found as 270. So these all we can add. So after adding all, let us add 1,100, 600, and 270. Yes, so it's 1,970. 1,970. And so we have completed question number 5, so first part. First part of question number 5 we have completed. So it's 1,970. So you can see most of the time in final exam also the GST question you can expect like this only. Like this in the sense, first of all, tabular, and calculation also it won't be too lengthy. It won't be too lengthy. It'll be like this type of calculations, only simple calculations. Okay, so that's why when you are writing everything in table, I don't think you will do any mistake over here. In working column, you have to do all the calculations so that you can recheck also. Okay, so we have done question number 5. So first part. From second one, we'll continue tomorrow because it's already 6 o'clock. So let's continue in tomorrow's class. So tomorrow it is Sunday, so little late. Around 7 o'clock, I'll take class. Tomorrow morning, I'll take class at 7. So if anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. Anyone, any doubt? I guess no doubts. The questions are very simple. Okay, so bye everyone. I'll see you in my tomorrow's class. Have a wonderful day and all the best for your exams.